Hey guys, it's Taivy and happy fall! I haven't vlogged for you guys in quite some time. Today's vlog is actually going to be so fun because I'm taking you guys with me on a trip to the Poconos. And Keisha invited me to her birthday trip with several of her other friends. So we're all going to go up to the Poconos to this beautiful lake house. We're going to spend the next 3 days there just having fun, and I wanted to vlog it and bring you guys into my life and kind of get away. Honestly, my channel has been dead, but I figured might as well film something and keep you guys in the loop of what I've been up to. I've never been to the Poconos before, and I know it's such a beautiful place to travel to. I also wanted to take some pictures in these like fake glasses for aesthetic. Landry gave them to me and they kind of work. Also, do you guys see my new tea necklace? I just got this from Forever 21. I haven't shopped at Forever 21 in like God knows how many years, but isn't that cute? Let me know in the comments if you like my tea necklace. I'm all packed for my trip, you guys, and I bought some new clothes. I'm wearing this super cozy sweater. Love it. I wanted to have stuff perfect for the fall for this trip. I did buy another sweater and some other things that I'll show off later in the vlog. Also, I got this really cute bag from Forever as well. This is really cute because I can fit my wallet, my filming camera, my cell phone, my charger, anything I need in this bag, and it's very lightweight. And it's cute, and I thought it went with my aesthetic. I got a gift for Keisha as well. I will film everything else later. Okay, that's all I have for this segment of the vlog, so let's get into that trip, and I will see you guys when I'm on the road. Hey guys, so I just arrived. Keisha's upstairs with all her other friends in the kitchen area. Everyone's like preparing for the party. I just wanted to actually use the restroom and I show you guys like the space. This house is so cozy and I'm very excited. I might change my outfit later. I might keep this on, I don't know. We'll see how it goes.
That's something, baby, that I can go without, just like a poison in me. You're all that I'm about, loving the highs, don't mind the lows. It's getting out of my control. I want that something, baby, 'cause I can go without. Mama used to tell me love ain't right.
I just washed my face and I have on my pajamas like these. Happy birthday, you're welcome. I'm actually gonna go to the lake now. This is my outfit for today. I'm gonna put on my necklace in just a minute, but I'm wearing this sweater and these jeans. You can actually see outside behind me.